So I want to get some aloe vera gel. See, I'm not sure you can see. I chose the wrong bowl. You see a little yellow tinge at the bottom. I've kept my aloe vera here for about 15 minutes. I changed the first water, was really yellowish. I needed to get all the yellowish stuff from the aloe vera to get out. When you harvest your aloe vera, you need to let the yellowish stuff get out. The yellowish stuff always at the bottom here. It's kind of toxic. It can react to your skin or your hair, whatever. So now that that's all done, I'm going to rinse it. I just take off this thread at the end and slice my aloe vera and then try to get the gel from inside. I'll show you. First off, I took off all the spikes by the end. Now I'm just going to chop it off in smaller sizes. I have it like this. I'm just going to take off the gel from here. So there it is, extracted already. Now I'm going to blend this and sieve it to extract the gel. I'm not going to add any water. I'm just going to blend it like this and then extract the pure gel. This is what it looks like after being blended. Now I'm going to be using a cheesecloth like this to sieve it very fine, to sieve it to make sure no particles come up. What it looks like after blending. See how it is. Yep. I'm going to use a cheesecloth now to sieve it to make sure all the whitish and greenish things don't get in, otherwise it's going to leave a residue when you use on your hair or wherever you want to use it. So I have my cheesecloth in place. I'm just going to pour it in there and squeeze with my hands. So after sieving it, here you are, and you can see all the greenish things are left in here, and some of the parts that did not blend well that are all left in here. So this one is good for your face, your hair, your body, whatever you want to use it for.